This video is just to show how to access class pages in Unified Classroom. So the first thing you need to do is obviously log into Unified Classroom with your credentials from the school. And when you log in, you're going to choose your class. In this case, I've chosen my Period 2 Geometry class. And on the left-hand side, you'll have your icons. One of those is Class Pages. When you click on Class Pages, you'll be brought to the information that I've organized for, in this case, geometry. And you'll see I've put the assignments at the top. So it's assignments for week 323 through 327. I'm putting some videos that I've made on the side. These are links to the assignments that are due this week, as well as the due dates on the side. You can click on these. There's the status report that's due Friday, and click on that and then submit the status report. And then I've also got all the units that we've done this year, and we're currently on Unit 4. And the last thing that's available to you guys is with the red bullseye is trigonometry. And I can click on trigonometry and see all the resources that I've put there for the work that I've given you. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, be sure to contact me.